Hello folks, today we're going to be working on creating a drop-down list as you see over here. So this list can contain multiple features. And ultimately a list like this will help you enforce data similarity and data constraints. So if you want to type into a field, you're leaving it open for errors and typos. But if we have a drop-down list, we can pick the same values or the values we want each time. So we'll right click on our feature class. We'll go to Data Design and click Domains. Once we're in the domain dialog box, we'll give the domain a name. We'll give it a brief description, just so we'll know what the domain represents. We'll leave these values as default. Then we'll move on to the coded part of the domain. Under the code column, you can put a value that will differentiate the different values on your list. For example, I put A for archive. So the description is what will actually appear in the drop-down list. So make sure those values are exactly what you want to see. Once we have that in, we can exit out the domain dialog box and make sure we save our changes. From here, we'll right click on a field we want the domain to be in. We'll go to Fields. And then under the domain column, in the field of our choice, we'll click the drop down and click the name of the domain we just created. Then we'll exit out and save our changes. Once we've done that, we can now use the drop down list we just created. Thank you. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell for more content.